This is how my student Carlos just made $20,000 by flipping this vacant piece of land over in Phoenix, Arizona. So Carlos is a lot like me and a lot like all the other wholesalers that get into this business. They'll be researching different business ideas and they'll just stumble across wholesaling. So that's what he did over the course of 9 months, really didn't have a lot of traction. So that's when Carlos reached out to me. He went through my one-on-one program that I offer, started getting leads and sellers that wanted to sell their vacant land to him. So one of the sellers, he inherited the property, had been paying taxes on it for the last couple of years and just didn't know what to do with the property. So when Carlos reached out to him, it was almost like the perfect time for him to sell. What Carlos ended up doing was he made the offer of $20,000, seller accepted. Carlos got a signed agreement to buy that piece of land for $20,000. Well, Carlos followed the program that I teach and he already had a really strong buyer's list built, reached out to his buyer's list and literally within 10 minutes had a buyer for it for $40,000. Now you're wondering, well, Kenneth, how can I do the same thing? Well, one, what you can do is you can start looking for people who own vacant land. There's a lot of different ways to do it. Have a conversation with the owner, let them know you're an investor, let them know you want to buy their land, then make an offer to buy it from them. You will not believe how many people out there who own vacant land just are waiting for people like you to go make an offer on that land and then sell it to you. And then what you're gonna do is find a buyer for it. If you want to learn this business and the exact system on how to do it, you can text me here. I'd be more than happy to help you with this business like I did Carlos.